Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. As we are learning these days the difference between the Arabic letter which has confusing sounds with all along the letters which are different but have the same sound. But in Arabic there are some letters which are the same, just like ya, but they have different sounds, bending sounds when they are in consonant and in vowel. In consonant, ya may have fatha, kasra, dhamma, but in vowel, ya only have kasra. Here we discuss the case of fatha. In fatha, ya and with fatha ya consonant, and in vowel it kasra. The meaning sometimes change and sometimes not, but in the construction of sentence they are used accordingly. For example, the first word is dain, and in vowel it is deen. When ya is followed by kasra, it make a vowel sound which calls ya madda, and when ya silent is then followed by fatha, it makes a ya lean, and yalin is a consonant. Yalin is a consonant. So here is the only word which is different in meaning also. Dain is a debt, while deen is religion. This is a difference because of the fatha and the kasra, because of the consonant and the vowel. The next words also different in the consonant and ya make the bending sound you will learn in this video, but the meaning means not a change. Let first I show you, then I will tell you the details. Second word is mile, mile, because it has fatha before ya, silent. Mile is the word for mile, and meal, his ya silent has kasra before it, meal. It also has the same meaning, meal. For lail, lail, its ya silent has fatha before it, and it is night. Both have the meaning of night or evening. Leel, but pronunciation is a change. Lyle, leel, lyle, leel. Here's Jaish, Jish, Jaish, Jish. Both have the same meaning, army. Shaykh, Sheikh, Shaykh, Sheikh, scholar. You may say elderly scholar. Now we can see the difference of the sound. You learn over here sound how it's changed because of the fatha when it's consonant, before the kasra when it's vowel. Dine, deen, dine, deen, mile, meal, lyle, leel, jaish, jish, shaykh, sheikh. The words which have the same meanings, then why they are written with a change, even they have the consonant, sometimes vowel, but they have the same meaning. These depend on the construction of the sentence, which is depend in the construction of sentence which word will be used as an adjective or as a verb, as an adverb, like that. So just this is the difference of the same words with the different sounds. But here we can also discuss some examples which are different in their construction from the vowel. But as a consonant, you can understand the sound of ya. Ya bunayya. Ya bunayya. Here comes ya two times. Once here comes ya as a consonant with the fatha, and then ya comes in the end with the shadda and the fatha. Ya bunayya. When ya have fatha over it, not the followed by. In lean, it is followed by. Dain, dain. In the other words, just like in it is says it was jish, which I just told you. Jaish. Ya is silent and it's followed by fatha. it makes lean. Jaish, I, Aish sound of ya is pronounced. But here when ya itself have fatha, ya, bunayya. Here because of shad. We stress it because of shad. Bunayya, ya bunayya. We can discuss another word from Arabic. It's tayyar. Tayyar. Here's ja with fatha. Tayyar. And you can see the other examples also in Arabic, which are different because of the consonant having the fatha, kasra, zumma, and vowel only have the kasra, only the kasra. It can't be vowel anymore if ya is not followed by the kasra. Ya is turned into ya vowel, ya madda, which is pronounced in Arabic ya madda. It is, if it is not followed by the kasra, it is no more ya madda. So it is a must for a vowel, ya vowel, to have a kasra before it. Ya consonant is ya lean, and ya with fatha, kasra and zumma. So this is in case of lean. When ya silent is ya, you can say, let me, ya silent, sukoon sign is followed by fatha, it is lean, and ya comes with fatha, may come with kasra, and this is half shape of ya, and full shape of ya this. Ya may come with fatha, kasra, or dumma. It is ya consonant equal ya, yi, you sounds. This is the difference between the similar sounds. Do practice this, and if you want to learn, I will give you a tip, and the tip is you can find the example in Arabic, in the Holy Quran, in the colloquial Arabic, in the written Arabic other literatures. When you will find out the difference, you will learn more. And if you really want to learn Arabic and this difference, find the examples and send me in the comment box. I will check it and will tell you really learn it or not. Find some examples for with ja, with kasra, fatha, kasra and zumma, and send me in the comment box. And find some example with ja following with the kasra, which is ja matta. And find some example with the ja sukoon, this is sukoon sign, followed by fatha, the ja lean. So I will check it and I will answer you, and maybe I make a new video if you want to check your all your efforts, so you can learn it. So in this video, in the ya consonant, ya vowel, you learn ya vowel when it is with sukoon signs and followed by kasra, and ya lean when it has sukoon sign and followed by fatha, and ja consonant when ja itself has fatha, kasra and zumma. That's it for today. Do comment me, ask me your queries, I will reply inshallah. Subscribe my channel so you know what the next video I am gonna make for you, because this series is going on and I am teaching you the difference of the similar sounding Arabic letters and the similar sounding Arabic letters with the same letters and with the different letters which are confused. See you in the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.